In this video, I will show you how you can earn money watching videos. And here are some payment proofs of people making money over and over again just by simply watching videos. If you watch 10 videos per day, that's $50. 20 videos will earn you $100. In fact, there is no limit to how much you can make every day with this incredible new method to make money online. And also, one great thing I want to mention about this method is that you do not need any technical skills or experience to do this, as all you will be doing is watching videos, and you can do this on both a laptop and a mobile device. So if you are just starting out and looking to make your first $1,000 online, then make sure you do pay close attention and follow this video through to the finish, because I will be showing you everything in detail in this video, including how to sign up for a free account and other additional bonus tips that can actually help you earn up to 3 times as much money online. With that being said, let's take a closer look at this method and learn how to make money online by simply watching videos. The first thing I want you to do is go to a website which is actually called followfast.com. From the homepage, if you look at the bottom, there is a payouts button which you can actually click on to see a list of payout proofs. And as you can see, there are hundreds of payouts happening all the time. There is also a number of ways to get paid, from PayPal to Bitcoin, which is just amazing. And also, this is available to people all over the world, so wherever you are, you will be able to make money with this method. Now, I want you to come back to the homepage of followfast.com and click onto join, which is up here in the top right hand corner of the page. You can register an account for free, and you do not need to spend a single penny to get started. All you need to do is simply enter your username, email and password. There is also a location box, but this will be updated automatically, so you don't have to worry about this section. Next, what you need to do is go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA by just entering whatever numbers you see here into the box. And once the form is complete, just go ahead and click the join button here to go ahead and create your account. With your account created, you next want to log into your account, and what will happen is you will be taken to a screen that looks similar to this. If you look towards the top of the page, you will see these YouTube buttons which say plays, likes, dislikes and subs. From here, what you're going to want to do is click onto the red YouTube button that says plays, and you will be taken to a screen that's going to look like this. Before you do start watching the videos to make money, there are a couple of tips I do want to give you just to make sure you do get paid correctly. So make sure you don't go anywhere and do pay close attention. The first thing I want to mention is that you do need to watch each video for a minimum of 35 seconds. This will earn you points which you can then use to convert into cash. So to actually make sure you have watched the video for 35 seconds, what you would need to do is click the play button to be taken to the YouTube video which will start playing. You will notice when you come back to the website there is a countdown timer which will tell you when you have watched 35 seconds of the video, and make sure to keep the video open and playing whilst you do this, and as soon as the timer does hit 0 you will get your points. What's great is you will see there is actually no wait for the points, as they do get added to the balance straight away. You can already see how super simple this is to do, and by using this method you can watch as many YouTube videos as you want, and of course make as much money as you do want to make, as there is no limit to how many videos you can watch. So if you are enjoying this video today and would like to keep up to date with the latest and best ways to make money online, then be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for even more amazing ways to make money online. And if you do have any questions at all regarding this method, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So I now want to share with you a secret tip that can actually help you to double or even triple your money, so make sure you do pay close attention to the next part of the video. You can do this on a phone or a computer, and what you want to do now is open up multiple tabs. And in doing this you can have multiple videos playing instead of just one, which will in turn enable you to earn even more money than other people doing this method, and of course just watching one video. As you can see in this example, what I'm going to do is start playing this video, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up another tab to watch the second video, and then just simply click the play button again. So I can have both of these videos playing at the same time, and if I come back to the website you will notice the countdown timer has started for both videos. So what's great is you can use this to play 5 or even 10 videos at a time, while in turn earning a lot of money much more quickly than other people. Another bonus tip I want to share with you is when you actually watch a YouTube video like this one, you can actually go to the gear settings, which is this button right here, and you can actually change the playback speed from normal to double. All you want to do is just simply click onto this button here with the 2 and you can play the video at twice the pace, which again is going to enable you to make money online much more quickly while also watching a lot more videos. And one more bonus tip I would like to reveal is that if you do have a very slow internet connection, or if you do have very little data available if you are using mobile data, you can actually select 144p under the quality option, which is going to enable you to watch on the lowest quality. In turn, that's going to save you a lot of time and mobile data, so you can actually watch a lot more videos more efficiently and again earn much more money. Now there is actually a way to earn bonus points every day on FollowFast, and to do this, if you come back to the website, you will actually see a button here which says daily bonus. So if you go ahead and click onto this, you will see different ways to earn additional bonus points. The first way to earn bonus points is by liking 15 YouTube videos that you watch. So this is actually a daily bonus, and every time you do this every day, you can actually earn 100 points. And in addition to this, there is also a hourly bonus where you can earn 25 points by liking 3 videos every single hour. So you can see by using these bonus tips how quickly your points and money is going to build up. So when you are finally ready to withdraw your money and cash out, all you need to do is click onto the cash out button here, which will take you to a page that's going to look like this. And from here you can select your preferred payment method, and you have the choice between PayPal, Perfect Money and Bitcoin. And in addition to this, there are also a number of other methods available that you can use, which you can see down here, such as like a bank transfer or Neteller. Now one thing I do want to mention, which is really great, is the minimum payout is just $1.50 to cash out, which is just amazing. So once you have requested to withdraw your earnings, you can expect to receive them within 3 to 5 business days. And of course you can do this from the minimum of $1.50. Now if you are looking for more ways to make money online by watching videos, then I do have another similar method which I think you are absolutely going to love. To check that out, just go ahead and click the video that comes up on screen now. And if you did enjoy this video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more amazing ways to make money online. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.